everybody. Well, I'm back. What I'm going to do today is I'm revamping an old sign from Dollar Tree. Well, I say old, it's a couple years old, but I've never used it. Tag's still on it. I just always, since they're $1.25, if I see something I really like and I know that I'll use it eventually, I pick it up. Anyway, as you can see, I'm starting to paint the red black. And I'm just using the Deco Art acrylic paint, and this is Lamp Ebony Black. Best for Mackenzie Child, I think. Anyway, so I'm coming in and I'm covering it. Now the red is really pretty, but it's not what I'm looking for. So if you have something that you like, but you think, you know what, the colors just aren't right. If you remember, I did one of the gingerbread houses that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it had pink on it. Well, I don't have any pink with my gingerbread decor. Mine is the traditional red and white, well, and brown. But don't let that stop you from, if you really like something, it doesn't have to be just Christmas either. If you really like something but the color isn't right, paint it. You know? And make it yours the way you want it. And the glitter, it would have I just know it wouldn't have covered good enough. To me, it would have looked cheesy, in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead, paint over it, and then come in with the glitter. And this is taking 2 coats of paint. That's okay. This is something you can do while you're listening to music or listening to YouTube, watching TV. So I think I'll just keep painting and keep you with me as long as you want to stay. If you have to leave, leave. And then I'll be back at the end and I'll show you where I'm putting this. Okay, we have the scarf done. There we go. Now I'm gonna go on to the hat and then touch up any little that I see, and then we'll come down to let it snow. What we're gonna do now is I got everything painted like you can see. And I'm gonna see how the Mod Podge works, adhering this Onyx Martha Stewart glitter. And I'm not looking to cover it like it was covered with the red. The red, it was everywhere. I mean, it was just, I'm just looking to hit it here and there so it sparkles a little bit. And I'm not even going to worry really about this let it snow, because where I'm putting that, you're not really going to see that. So, let's see how this works. And whatever sticks, sticks. What doesn't, doesn't. So I have a little bit. That's good enough. I can tell it's going to give me enough of what I want. So that's how I'm going to do this. Yep, that's going to work out good. Now I think I'm just going to go willy-nilly here, not everywhere. Once all that Mod Podge dries, it's going to be fine. I don't know if you can see the shine in here, but it is. I can see the glitter. Okay, and that's going to be the last one I do as far as the scarf. Then I'm going to do all of the hat. Almost done, then just a bow. As you can see, this is a very fine glitter. Very, very fine. Okay, now you can see the shine on the hat. All right, I'll be back when I get my bow ready to put on. Okay, I just put a little tiny bow. I just wanted a little bit of that check to be on there. But now I'm gonna see if I want to put like a snowflake. You know what I could do? I like the vibrant green. I could not find my ribbon that had the green and black. And you watch, I'm going to find it as soon as I'm done with this. Never fails. This little wreath might be cute. Or him holding a wreath. That's kind of cute. Didn't I say I wasn't going to embellish? I think that's what I said. See how the hat's glistening now? And the scarf. Found it. I love these, and these are from Hobby Lobby. It's the holly leaf. It's kind of a plastic, but I love the color. And I'm going to put it right there. Cut a little bit of this. I wonder if I could. Yep, that's it. I always know when I always say to myself, I'll know it when I see it. You know what I mean? That's what it needed. Nope. Okay, next thing to do is to show you where I'm going to put it.